Hey kids, last time we spoke, we saw our pioneer ships were just moving around from a diagonal page like this. And it's not what we want at all. What we want is we want it to be sort of moving sort of from side to side. And we need it to be sort of moving towards us, okay? Because we need to go and choose a space in a second to make it go and pick a random spot. So we want to go make sure that our pioneers are moving in the right direction, and we don't want it to be going up or down. So let's go and change it to 0 so it's not moving up or down at all, and test that. Now, it's going from left to right. We don't want it to go from left to right. We want it to come at us. So we need to change this to the opposite direction. At the moment it says 50, and the opposite is -50. Let's go and put -50 in here like this. And see what it does now. That's more like it. The next thing we need to do in a moment is move this to any random position in the up or down so that it's going to be coming at us in any direction. So let's go and do this in a minute, okay? Everyone going to have a go at making sure that your pioneer ship, is moving this direction. Good luck.